Yes, Karim, I so call him and tell him. I promise. Alright, may I clean up right now? So, I so call you back. Alright, later.
Nobody say I'm false now. But it's what carry my pressure you about.
You want me rent the room up by shop so I can have my own space.
Nothing wrong with that. I mean, well, even though you're there with me and yes, it's a space limited, I think you can take a chance, Tony. I mean, enough time I tell you to come sleep with me in the bed, but you want to sleep on the couch. Cause, you know, Tony, think about it. You're young, you want your own little space, you want to start make something of your life. You can't stay here forever.
What was me know? I understand what you're saying. But I don't feel me ready yet. I'm comfortable right now, you know. I need some more time to think and some my whole heap of things to learn about.
I understand, Tony. I understand. And I appreciate the fact that you still want to around me and you want to learn some more. But in all honesty, what you're really passionate about, what you really want to do. I know say you love what we do. I mean, being a sleeper. But it's a dangerous job. It is. Take it from me. Me can tell you that. And I don't really see you to do this much longer. I mean, you're young and you're vibrant and your energy says it all. What else is there that you want to do?
Well, I love dancing, you know. Really passionate about dance.
I know you love dance because you're on TikTok. That's another thing to Tonya. You see the line of work where we're in now? You can't be on social media like that. You have to kind of ease up a little bit. But, being the fact that you love dance so much, you don't think that's something you need to educate yourself about? Because that's something you can teach, you know. And that's something will take you overseas for, I mean, Europe, all different kind of country, where you can teach both practical and theory.
Well, we never really think about it like that, you know. We just know someone love do it. So yeah, I try to say, if I go back to school?
It might be too late for you to go back to school. No, it's not even say too late. Because the job where you're in and you run a business, that's not going to allow you to be in them kind of space there now. But educate yourself more about it. Read your books, everything that's online now. So you can read some more. Educate yourself more about the Jamaican culture. You ever think about that, Tony? We have a rich dance culture, you know.
Well, you have any book where you can recommend?
It's funny you should ask. Start with this.
Reading Religion and Spiritual in Jamaica, Reggae Dance, all dance. Spirit books movement.
This is one of the books that will help you, guide you along the way, understanding Jamaican dance. One of the things I want you to do, Tonya, even for the field that we're into, I want you to read some more. Read and not just read for reading's sake. Read and understand what you read. Look, you saved 4 girls the other day from human trafficking. I know me give an assignment about it. There are other things that you're going to get involved in and you're going to need to know about it. It's when you read different books about different topics, and especially for the work what we do, and what you want to do, it will help you to make a more informed decision on which path you really want to take.